Exploring 3 fruits that boost physical health. Nature's nutritional powerhouses. In contemporary's fast-moving experience, place usefulness frequently trumps food, claiming optimum material strength is more important than always. Our corpses demand essential fibers to function at their best, and combining a equalized diet improved accompanying products can considerably help overall happiness. Fruits not only specify alive vitamins and mineral but are again full accompanying antioxidants, texture, and additional advantageous compounds that support miscellaneous bodily functions. In this item, we investigate the planet of 3 unusual crops that have showed expected strength when it meets expectations, pushing tangible fitness. Blueberries. Tiny berries accompanying mighty benefits. Blueberries, the throbbing and enjoyable products, have collect substantial consideration in current age on account of their influential strength benefits. These narrow grains are not only pleasing but further rich in antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, that present ruling class their purplish-blue color. Research plans that the antioxidant characteristics of blueberries can help combat oxidative stress, a key subscriber to stale and incessant ailments. Furthermore, blueberries are in superior beginning of digestive texture, supporting upset stomach and advancing an active gut. They are again depressed in calories, making blueberries an ideal lunch for burden-alert things. Moreover, these little strength are tricky accompanying vitamins C and K, manganese, and differing added minerals that cause an active invulnerable scheme and support cartilage energy. Studies have likewise told that blueberries can have a beneficial affect intelligence well-being. The antioxidants present in these beans can raise thought and intelligent function, lowering the risk adult accompanying neurodegenerative ailments in the way that Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, blueberries have existed connected to lowering ancestry pressure and reconstructing soul energy. Avocado. The creamy superfruit. Avocado, frequently referred to as a superfruit, is famous for allure smooth pattern and rich flavor. While few can have nothing to do with avocados on account of their bigger fat content, it is main to note that they generally incorporate athletic monounsaturated grease, that can have a definite effect cardiovascular strength. These grease help lower LDL, distressing, cholesterol levels while growing HDL, good, cholesterol levels. Beyond their healthful grease, avocados are a stockpile of vitamins. They are a wonderful beginning of potassium, that is essential for asserting athletic ancestry pressure levels and decent power function. Avocados too hold extreme levels of texture, advancing digestive fitness and donating to feeding. Moreover, this adjustable crop boasts an array of vitamins and mineral, containing vitamins K, E, C, and differing B vitamins. These foods are critical for skin strength, invulnerable function, and strength result. Avocados are further intoxicated accompanying antioxidants, in the way that lutein and zeaxanthin, that support eye fitness and keep against age accompanying macular deterioration. Kiwi fruit. A nutritional powerhouse. Kiwi fruit, accompanying allure alive green skin and sharp flavor, is a pertaining to food powerful that frequently goes missed. Packed accompanying essential vitamins, mineral, and digestive texture, kiwi fruit offers a range of energy benefits. Kiwi fruit holds more source of nourishment C than most citrus products, making it an superior invulnerable supporter. The texture content in kiwi fruit acquired immune deficiency syndrome digesting, counters muscle spasm, and supports overall gut well-being. Additionally, kiwi fruit is a good beginning of folate, that is essential for cellular division and DNA combining, making it specifically advantageous for significant wives. It still holds meaningful amounts of source of nourishment E, potassium, and added antioxidants, that enhance essence energy, skin spirit, and combating free radicals in the physique. Kiwi fruit has existed intentional for allure potential to advance sleep characteristic on account of allure extreme serotonin levels. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter complicated in organizing sleep patterns and air, suggesting that kiwi fruit use grant permission have helpful belongings on sleep event and kind. Incorporating food-thick products into our day-to-day diet can considerably improve material energy and comfort. Blueberries, avocados, and kiwi fruit are just 3 models of the innumerable crops that offer unusual benefits for the carcass. Whether it's the antioxidant capacity of blueberries, the healthful grease and potassium in avocados, or the source of nourishment C and texture content of kiwi fruit, these crops have found expected wonderful addings to an equalized diet. So, the next occasion you reach for a lunch, acknowledge increasing these pertaining to food strength to your plate and boast common people of benefits they revive.